Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and I want to show you this Happy Mail that I just received. And it's from Thelisha, and I've covered up the addresses and stuff like that. So let me just tell you how I got my box. So my dad came over, and let me just give you a little background story. So where I live in a super old house, so when people knock on the door, sometimes we can't even hear. So basically when he comes over, he'll just call, and that way I know he's at the door. So I'm sitting on the couch, and my dad calls, and he's like, Sonia, he calls me Sonia. I'm at the door. So I told my son to go answer the door. He's like, so he comes in or whatever, and he has a box in his hand. He's like, Sonia, you need to start checking your mail. So the backstory on the mail is when I moved a few years ago, I had my mail sent to his post office box. That way I wouldn't get mail sent to my previous address. I would get it sent there, and it wouldn't get lost. Well, that's been years ago, but I still get mail sent there, and this package was sent there. So when he comes in, he's like, you need to start checking your mail there, Sonia. So then he gives me my box. I'm like, oh yes, because I knew she had sent something, but I just didn't know it was going to come this soon already. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and open it up, and we're going to see what we got going on. So yeah, I know she's been like super busy, Thelisha, because oh my goodness, we have a collaboration going on. She's been doing all kinds of stuff, so I don't even know how she has even had time to do all this extra for us, me and fam. So let me open this up. Oh wow, look at this. Hey Miss Sonia, I hope you have fun with this, Thelisha. That's so pretty. And I'm putting this in one of my journals. I love the paper, I love her handwriting, and it's sentimental. And look at how this is packaged. Oh my goodness. Yes, child. Oh my goodness. Here, let me just get a little closer. Look at that. Just goodies and yummies. Look at this. Oh my good. Oh, I love these papers. Oh. These are her dyed papers. And she's got like stamps and stuff on it. This is 100% up my alley. Oh, and you know I'm getting ready to start using some of this in our journal because it's got the perfect colors. Look at that. These are like colored, like stained and dyed and stuff. Oh my gosh, I love these colors. Look at the textures in it. That's what I'm talking about. Look at, oh, and this rich yellow. It's like a yellowish, orangish kind of color. This, oh my goodness. See, I'm gonna have to find out how she did this. I know she's probably got a video on it. I can't remember everything. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna find out how she made these. This is gorgeous. Look, oh my goodness. Script, script and vintage, that's my soft spot. That's my soft spot right there. Oh my goodness. And I love how this is packaged. I never would have thought to do that, to have it rolled up like that. That is so neat, and it still keeps the paper safe. Oh wow. Look at oh my goodness, she got my doilies up in here. Hold on, let me open this up right quick. I'm gonna be gentle because I know coffee stained doilies is a little sensitive. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I can't wait. Oh, look at this. I can't wait to craft with this. Look at that. Check that out. I love the different colors and the different, some are darker, some are lighter, different hues of browns and stuff. Look at that. All the impressions that it picked up on. She has some skills, that's all I'm saying. She has got some skills. I love how this is packaged. My goodness. Oops, I just broke that rubber band. Let me see. And look, oh my goodness. my soft spot. Oh, I can't wait to add these to some of my journals. These are like stamped little pieces, little bits and pieces. Loving the numbers. You know I'm fixing to use these on my stuff. Oh, wow. She comes up with some of the greatest ideas. Like, I don't know how she does it. Look at that. It kind of feels like newspaper or wax paper. I'm not real sure, but wow, look, this is just neat. Look at that. Can you see the image? And it's kind of transparent too. I love that. Yes. Let me get a piece of white paper or something. Yeah, you can kind of see how it's got like a little bit of transparency. I like that. I love that. And the stamped images and stuff on there. Oh my goodness. This is so neat. And look at, oh, she gave me one of her, oh, I love these. I saw the video on it when she made these. One of her clusters. I love this. And she takes a lot of time to make these too. Look at the details. She got the stitching in there. Oh, I love my little, she got the muslin. Is it muslin or burlap? I love that. I love any kind of fabric on stuff. Got the little butterflies and the flowers and all of that. All these textures and things she's got going on with it. I love these clusters and stuff. That's what I'm talking about. And then, oh, she got some fussy cut stickers. Or some stickers for me to fussy cut. Yeah, fussy cut me stickers. I like that. Got the pretty butterflies on there. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. This is awesome, Thelisha. I love this. I really, really do. This is so awesome. And then we've got some, is this some washi tape? Let me see. I think this is it washi? Yeah. Ooh. It's like double-sided tape. Yeah, it's like double-sided tape or something. I love this. And it's got a beautiful print. Let me just open this up. And let me see the print. Let me try not to mess it up. I should have opened it from the other end. I'm going to turn it around like this. Hopefully I'll be able to get it back in the circle. Oh, that's because it was still taped up. But yeah, I should have took the tape off is what I should have did. But yeah, look at that. Look at the print. She is talented. Like, wow. And this is like handmade stuff. Like, you know what I mean? Like, this is handmade. This ain't like store-bought. She made this stuff. That's what I'm talking. I love that. And look at the pretty fabrics that I have. She's got me, let's see, we've got some, I don't know the names of fabrics, so bear with me. This is beautiful. I love that kind of fabric. And I love these little blingy things too. Yes. I'm gonna have so much fun with this stuff. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna have fun. I'm gonna use these as some pearls. And we've got these gold ones. I love this. I really appreciate this. And then we have another cluster. Look at there. Look at the details. Wow, I love the little pretty girl, the little angel. Or no, she's not an angel, but she's still cute. I love that with the little flowers and stuff. Little butterfly. Shut your mouth. Uh-oh. This is one of her little hidden paper clips. See, I'm gonna have to stick this down in one of my journals or something. Have to, let me see something. So this will go down on the page. I'm just using this as an example just to see, show you how this works. Let's see here. That's what I'm talking about. Look at there how it just sits on top. I love that. That is just so neat. I wouldn't have thought to come up with that. That is really neat. Thank you so much, Thelisha. Look, this, I super appreciate this. All of these goodies, all of these are just gorgeous. So, but yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and go check her out on the Sweets by Thelisha. She has her own Facebook page. She has a blog. She can bake, she can craft, she can do all kinds of stuff. So I'm gonna have a link in the description of how to find her and her good stuff. And also check out her video. She and I and Fam from Livy's Lovelies, we're doing a collaboration, and we all have journal kits and stuff. And I'll have a link in the description for you guys to check that out too. But yeah, so I hope you guys liked my little share for today. And as always, if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, click like, share, check out my other videos on my blog and social media sites. And as always, thanks for watching.